I'm scared.
Whoa.
Imagine that was right here.
I think we would die.
Right here.
Crazy. Can I run across the yard because I'm so scared?
Dude,
it's doing 360s.
Film over there where the
No, hey! It's doing 360s. 360s.
Jeffy. Jeffy, shut the hell up over there.
No!
Shut up, Jeffy.
No!
Alright, wait, watch. Wait.
Jeffy, do you want a sip?
No, wait.
Alright.
Oh, look at the street.
It's so scary. Jeffy, how in any way is that scary? It's gonna kill us! It's gonna wipe out the whole species! Oh! This is the best part.
What's the matter with that kid?
That is scary. This is the scariest thing I've ever seen in my life.
Jeffy, stop going.
Chucky.
Jeffy, it's not.
It's gonna wipe out the whole species! The whole species wiped out! Okay. Am I dead? Am I dead? They almost ran over the dead firework. Can I sit on your head? Why? I'm just gonna... Piggyback ride. Give me a ride. Can you give me a ride?
You're enjoying it, but I'm filming.
Yes, it is. It's gonna wipe out the whole species. 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 That is scary.
What if fireworks look like
Does it?
I just farted on my balls, and then I pooped, and then it's smearing up my back. Yay! Cool. Is that it? Was that every single firework? We did two. And then we're watching the neighbors. And that was scary.
Where's the dying firefly? Oh my God.
Joseph wanted to just ignore 4th of July. He didn't come over. And then Cody's celebrating it with his family. Cody! It's getting a bit nippy in here. Why don't you get your coat off the coat?
Last night, Jimmy did one.
Oh God. Oh God. I'm gonna poop in my pants right now. That is the scariest monkey turd, monkey ball, monkey nipple, monkey pee-pee, monkey species, monkey macaroni. It's scarier than trying to learn my alphabet but not having a tree. I should have had a tree.
It's gonna restart, please.
Right here.
I'm scared. I have poop in my pants, and I have ate my balls.
Let Grandma do it. I know not to destroy
Look
Jeffy.
at that.
Yep, you don't disrupt me. Giga Chad. Giga Chad.
Why is it so red?
I'm Giga Chad. I'm Giga Chad. I'm Giga Chad.
I don't know what that means.
I'm Giga Chad.
What does it mean?
I'm Giga Chad.
What is that?
Nothing. Hey, you.
Yeah.
3-year-old. Here's my Giga Chad face. I'm gonna riz you up.
You hear that? Lightning bug and Latin. It's Lappy Brigade. Oh, Lappy. Oh, yeah, that makes sense. Lappy. I guess that's where we got the word Lappy.
Jeffy, stop eating the camera. Hey.
Yeah.
Poop! Chop chop. Chop chop. Coat. Oh no. Oh God. Run! Run! It's gonna wipe out the whole species! That's it?
Yeah, it's it.
There's a whole second verse.
I'll whack you so hard with my pencil that's in my nose. Oh! I'll fight you.
That's why you don't do it.
Let's go last.
I'll start throwing haymakers. Even though that's Brooklyn, guys. Coat. Gonna mess with you no matter what. Oh, you can try to fight me. I'll just slam you to the ground. Come here. You wanna fight? Bikes. Oh God. My diaper! I would be down to do this, but I have pee-pee in my poo-poo. Oh God.
I wish I could have scrapped Jeffy for that. Who would have been dead?
Ready, one.
Go away, kid.
I'm so scared. It's gonna be like dank memes.
Watch my. Don't let it get.
Oh, holy donkey nipples. Holy donkey nipples. Go! I can't see.
Firework.
Donkey
I'm
nipples.
just gonna blow you the firework.
No, you're not. You're not.
It feels like Goomba.
I wanna go. Our whole space is gone. I think I'm dead. Am I dead? I think I'm dead. Does this all mean I'm dead? Is it just trying to scare me more? Am I dead? Am I dead? I think I'm dead. I think I'm dead. Hey, am I dead? I think I'm dead.
No, you're not.
Chinese winter and you are tying meat. Why don't you go and eat some peas? And definitely don't eat green beans. They are horrendous. They are disgusting. Blech.
I don't know about that, buddy.
Bombastic side eye. Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye. Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye. Side eye.